Children, today learn missing letters. What is this? Apple. Apple. A P P L E. Apple. What is this? Fish. F F I S H. Fish. What is this? Cat. C A T. Cat. What is this? Hat. H A T. Hat. What is this? Dog. D O G. Dog. What is this? Ice cream. I C E C R E A M. Ice cream. What is this? Ball. B A L L. Ball. What is this? Tomato. T O M A T O. Tomato. What is this? Mouse. M O U S E. Mouse. What is this? Nose. N O S E. Nose.